This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices BurtJordan Realtors property video is presented by Bobby Housand. Great Doulaveris built home. Custom additions added. Beautiful gourmet kitchen with gas cooktop, wall oven, large pantry, stainless appliances. You will enjoy cooking in this kitchen. Large open floor plan with dining room, family room, breakfast area. Master bedroom with customized closet. Great master bath with walk-in tiled shower, separate tub, water closet, double vanities and tiled floors. LVP flooring throughout. Lots of storage. Upstairs boasts a big bedroom and a bonus room with a full bath with tiled shower. Screened-in porch has gas hookup for your grill. Huge yard. Plenty of room for a big pool. 3-car garage, added concrete parking 200 amp wiring.